Good day folks, this is Russell here from Audify Express by Shaw Industries. How do you do? Alright, today what we have for you here is we have the Brax X2400.2. Basically this is Brax's 4-channel amplifier rated at 110 watts at 4 ohms per channel. So yeah, let's just take a closer look. I got to love the dual power inputs, man. Okay. Speaker, left, right, everything. Okay. Let's take a look inside. Wow, the crossover network here, very nice. Look at this. Wow. Very clean amplifier. I love the power supplies in these amps. Check it out. Very clean. Alright, let's take a closer look. Okay folks, we have the Brax 2400.2, X2400.2. These amplifiers, these are actually used amplifiers, pre-owned, second-hand, or whatever you want to call it, pre-loved or whatever. But these are all functioning amplifiers and these are actually for sale. So check out our website soon, audifyexpress.com. So that we'll be putting these amplifiers and some of the other stuff that you've seen here online for sale. We ship internationally, we ship to the US, we ship to Europe as well. All we need to do is, if you're interested and for whatever country you're in, just drop us an email and we will quote unquote on shipping. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Cheers all. Power.